Okay, now let's start with the module of data management in Salesforce. Now, what is data handling and data management? Now, all the systems that we are working on, whether it's ERP, CRM, basically stores data, account data, contact data, custom object data, and no system works in isolation. Correct? Data may come from other systems, data may be exported to other systems. That is the key. You have foreign keys, external IDs in most of your Oracle systems, Siebel system. You import the data, insert the data from other systems, mass update, mass delete. All that is possible in Salesforce too. Similarly, suppose you want to take a backup, entire backup of your system. That is also possible in Salesforce. Okay, so the whole data handling part, there are a lot of features Salesforce gives you, a lot of techniques, tools, and approaches. So let's look at all of them. I'm sorry. Yeah. So at this, basically at the end of this module, you will know how to do import of data, update the data, transfer and mass delete. You will completely know about the major tools that are there, the use cases. Like say, for example, you want to import a case, you want to import accounts. See, use cases are specific to projects. So you can, we don't know which data. So you'll have to, also we have the tools and everything ready in Salesforce, but the data cleansing is required. Like say, for example, if there is an account name in Salesforce, or if there is a pick list field that you created and it has got some limited values, and like say we created USA, India, Canada that day. So if you're going to introduce some other value, then you need to see to it that the data is clean there. You need to make sure that the data matches. You cannot bring any data and import. So please keep those things in mind. Similarly, what you do for data migration and other projects, other systems, it's almost the same thing. So let us see how to do it in Salesforce. So the other topics that we have now are basically we look at data import wizard, the object specific wizard. Salesforce comes with the data import wizard for accounts, lead, solution, contacts, and custom objects. So you can do an import of the data. Then you have a data loader, which is a bulk API, which you have to download. You can also go to the cloud-based dataloader.io and work on that. You can download the data loader with the Java API. You need to have Java for the Win32. Then you have a data export where you can data export feature where you can export data.